Well, let's give this a try. I've got my transfer finished. I've got a 6 brush. I've dipped it into the soap detergent. I've rinsed it in the glass, and I'm dipping it into the plastic latex, and I am simply brushing it on. I can't tell you that I've been a fan of masking over the years, but I'm ready to try something new. And I want to really be able to give the background what I think it deserves. So in doing that, I am using masking. I hope it works. I think the biggest places I wanted to work would be the stems. Listening to the videos, I think it's just important that it dries and we give it that time. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I would put it on thick enough so we don't have to reapply. So it's not hard. It's going on pretty easy, really. I'm using a brush that, if this soap really doesn't work, it's not going to upset me. I have a feeling it's going to work. I've done a little testing with the craft brush. I think it's going to work. So I think what's really important, everybody, is that we let this dry. Because you can see I am going on here heavy. And I just want to really be sure that I've covered. So I am using quite a bit because I'm going to go ahead and do the leaves. Now another way to do the leaves would be to put down tape. I've seen it done that way. Well, we're going to let this dry. Remember, it will come off with your finger or a rubber cement pickup. Once you get a little piece of it started with your finger, you can get it up. It'll just roll up. So this is the preparation, all done, ready to paint. Now, I am looking for, there's a little spot up there, why not? Any little place where you want some sparkle, Why not? Just a little frisket, and let's see what happens next. We're gonna let it dry. All right. And I'm cleaning my brush out in the water, and sure enough, I've got a nice brush point. So the soap really did work. I can pull just a tad. Let me put a little soap on that. Yep, it worked. The soap will protect your brush. I still wouldn't use an expensive brush, but the craft brush was just a little too soft or a little too hard, so I'm okay. Okay, let's let that dry.